Welcome back everybody to another Power Africa Solar video. Today we're going to be going over a couple of frequently asked questions. Well, not frequently, we were asked a couple of questions with some of our clients, and so I took the liberty to write them down so that we can also share with you who maybe have these same questions but haven't really gotten around to reaching out to us. So a client from Mombasa asked us, how long will the Weco battery last if the power goes out at night? So in terms of the battery lasting you through the night, it does depend on how we size the system, one, and what appliances you would want it to use from dusk till dawn. So typically, if you're using energy saving appliances, it should give you a great 8 to 12 hours of use. So you shouldn't be worried about maybe watching a football game or the kids watching cartoon and the power goes off and now you don't know what to do. So the Weco should be able to take you a long time, 8 to 12 hours. And the next question we were asked from Kisumu with a client. He said his concern was safety, and he said, how about when some batteries can overheat or catch fire? And so with the Weco, it has a smart BMS. When we are talking about a BMS, it means it's a battery management system. What the battery management system does is it prevents overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. So it should be safe for you and your family at home. Don't worry about it. And then the third question, we have 2 more questions to go. It's from a client in Nairobi who was asking if it would work with his existing inverter since it's an older model. So we did tell him that Weco is compatible with most inverters like Victron, Growatt, and some of the inverters that we still also have in the market. Keep in mind that the Weco is a 48 volt system, and so it would be best if your inverter is a 48 volt because otherwise it wouldn't be compatible if it's like a 24 volt system. So what we would do if you do come to us and you want to find out if your inverter is compatible, we would do a background check first because we wouldn't just sell it to you just to sell it and it wouldn't be compatible with your inverter. So we would do a background check to know if it is compatible, and if not, we would still be able to recommend to you another different lithium-based battery. So for the fourth and second last question is from a client in Eldoret who was wondering how long it takes to charge fully with solar, the battery that is. So in terms of charging time, we usually recommend that the client has great panels because that's how the inverter charges the battery. And so if you have a small capacity panel and this battery needs lots of power, you would be doing yourself a disservice. So you need to have a great capacity panel to aid in the fast charging of this battery. So with that in play and with that in mind, if you also need a few solar panels, we do have them, as you can see them in the background. What it would take is around 3 hours to 4 hours for you to fully get a battery bank that is full and ready for the nighttime use. And so for the final question, it is from a client in Kitui, and he was wondering how long it will last before he would have to replace it. So this battery has a great 10-year warranty. This is a manufacturer's warranty, and this isn't the lifespan of the battery, but the manufacturer's warranty. The time that you'd be using it is around 19 plus years with proper use of the battery. So that means you're not over discharging it, and when it charges, you over discharge it again. You have to also be responsible with your battery to really feel the weight of your investment so that you can also, even later on, if you want to add on to your battery bank, you're able to. This battery is quite flexible with adding on batteries in phases, because this is something that a lot of clients usually have a problem with. In the outright purchase, yes, it may be a bit pricey, but the good thing is you can always add more batteries in phases. So there are no more questions that we can talk about today, but if any of you have any other questions that you'd like to ask us, please feel free to reach out to us in the contact details below. And remember that Power Africa Solar PV Tech is powering your home or business one at a time. See you next time.